Hello, my name is Karanveer Singh, also known as Handsome Ajat. Ready to dive into the land of laughter with a splash of artistic flair? Buckle up, because we're about to take a joyride through jokes, puns, and the downright ridiculous, all while painting a masterpiece of mirth. Get those chuckle muscles warmed up, it's humor o'clock, with a splash of artistry. In this episode, we will explore how to effectively navigate the TD control for drawing purposes. To begin, open the TD control and direct your attention to the center part of the eye gaze bar. Locate the guide icon, which will grant access to the instructions for TD control. On the right side, you will find the modes option. Select this button to access the drawing feature. If the drawing option is not visible, access the settings to add it. While in the settings menu, proceed to customization and open the modes menu. Select the pen with line icon to add the drawing feature. Adjust target allows you to zoom in on an area of the screen, which can be helpful when drawing small details. Draw line enables you to create straight lines in 8 directions, and you can also use this feature for freehand drawing. Undo allows you to revert the last action you took, which comes in handy if you make a mistake during drawing. Redo lets you reverse the last action you undid, allowing you to reconsider changes made to your drawing. Left click allows you to perform a left mouse button click, beneficial for selecting objects or initiating new lines. Pause gaze enables you to temporarily halt the drawing process, useful for taking breaks or looking away from the screen. Now, let's delve into drawing. Today, we will attempt to create a house using 6 essential features in TD control. Adjust target, draw line, undo, redo, left click, and pause gaze. Although I am not an expert at drawing, I will attempt to create a house. I'm opting for Microsoft Paint due to its cost-free availability, as I plan to create a video showcasing various drawing programs. This way, you'll be able to determine which drawing program suits you best. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. As you watch this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing.